Today we're going to be drawing Jinu as a Labubu.
Cool.
Make sure to like and subscribe, comment down below and give us a huge thumbs up, guys. If we're going too fast, you can slow down. So guys, we're going to start with the eye.
So I think we're going to start in the centre, like this first, I think. We're slightly wider than I normally do it for a Labubu, and then we're going to give him the big round Labubu eyes, but they're going to be slightly less long than they normally are. So they're a bit wider than they are long.
I don't really want a big Labubu, so I got more space to do the ears.
So that's sensible. And then we're going to do exactly the same, so we're going to go across and up, just like that. I think I've gone too high with that one, but that's alright. Yeah. And we're going to curve it round, so it's kind of similar, and then across and up, just like that. And then I'm going to draw his pupils next. So I'm going to draw it like this, I think. And we're going to draw it just like this, going up, so that you've got his pupils. Just like that, okay?
I wanted to do the eyes upwards,
I see.
so I can do the orange,
Nice.
and then I can do the black. Yes.
I'm going to draw his...
I'm going to colour the thingy.
Oh yeah, okay. And now I'm going to draw him a nose. I'm going to do it a little bit lower, just here between the eyes, but just underneath. Whereas normally a Labubu's nose is a bit higher. There you go, just like that. And then I think I'm going to draw half a Labubu smile, so it's going to be a bit different than a normal Labubu. So I'll start it underneath the eye over here. It's going to come across like that. It's going to be more of a grin. I'm going to try and fit all of his teeth on. How many teeth do Labubus have again? 9 teeth, right. So let's try and fit those in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
I kind of
8.
went over the Labubu teeth.
I think I made his mouth too wide. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 teeth, and he's got a side grin. That's alright. I like yours actually. Yours is really good.
Mine is smaller.
Yours is really good. Right, I think now I'm going to draw his hat. So it's got a wide brim. So I'm going to start over on this side. So I've got plenty of room for it to curl around just like that, just above his eyes, and then up to the other side there. And then I'm going to draw it going up into the centre, and then we're going to stop just in kind of just off the side of his eye on both sides, so it's just like that. And then do the same on the other side. And then I'm going to draw his hat going up.
I've read that already.
Oh, nice, well done. Oh, you managed to fit it all in. I'm going to get mine to go off the page just like that. And then it's got a little band, doesn't it? So
he also have a little, like...
Oh, the neck strap.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to draw the band first, and then we can maybe fit the neck strap in, because we've got to do it around his face.
We also need to do the face too.
Yeah, don't worry, we're going to do that next. We want to make sure it fits first. So, I want to make sure that his Labubu head is going to start just underneath the mouth, don't we? So, it's going to curve up back into just above his eye here. So, we're going to do it just like this. I'm going to make mine fluffy as I go, and then we're going to do the same on the other side over here as well. Until it joins up just like that. There you go. I think mine kind of looks like a cowboy now.
No, I don't.
Oh, well done, you've done it perfectly.
Oh, that's goofy though.
Yours looks great. Okay, and now...
Don't forget the inside though. So then, you know...
Oh, the fur bit. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I think I'm going to do mine on the inside, just like
whilst you're doing that, I'm going to do the Labubu ears.
Are you?
Yeah.
And there you go, just like that. I'm going to curve mine in and maybe have a bit of coupling out of the hat, just like that. Nice. I think I'm going to draw mine. Let's see, how can I do it? I think I'll have his ears going up.
I did the little
just
necklace.
like
I did the necklace.
that.
I did the little necklace.
Did you?
Yeah, so his neck is like...
Curve it around the bottom, so you've got his 2 ears there. There you go, and I'm colouring that in at the end. Okay, now I'm going to do his body. I like it. What are you doing now? You're doing the necklace.
I did his necklace already.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you're right. That's cool. It's not. It's part of his hat, isn't it? It's what keeps his hat kind of on. Although he doesn't actually wear it like that. You're right. I think I might do that next, so that it doesn't get in the way. So it comes down. A bit thin and narrow with little balls going down like this. It's going to curl around just underneath his head, just like that. And make sure it comes into the centre, and then we're going to do exactly the same up this side as well. Bless you.
Bless me.
Just curl around.
I kind of did his body a bit small.
Looks very cute. Well done.
Yours is big. Mine is small. That one looks funny.
Okay, and now I think I'm going to do his body. So it's going to come out both sides just like that.
So sort of. Yeah, I can do the cloak.
Yeah, you can. I'm going to bring his arm down. I'm going to make it so he's got Labubu hands, but he's got more like his, I don't know what to call it, his outfit when he's still dancing in Idol.
I'll be your idol.
Exactly. So I'm going to be a bit fuzzy there. And it's going to curl back up, just like that. And then the same on the other side. And then we're going to give him his little thumb, the BB style, and then it's going to come out just like that for his fingers. There you go.
I'm colouring
then,
little trousers.
Right.
Yeah.
Then it's going to go in and round just like that.
I like yours.
I like yours. You've done a great job.
Mine looks a bit tiny.
Oh, this looks lovely. Then we're going to draw the bottom of his legs, just like that.
His pants.
And then I think we'll go up and round just like that. It's not going to be very tall. And then we're going to do the other side as well. There you go. And then I'm going to draw his feet.
I'm ahead of you.
You are.
I like yours. Your body looks funny.
Mine's got a bit wide. I'm going to do his the neck bit of his outfit. I think I'm going to have it come down just like that.
This looks like Bobby, the demon.
Okay. And then it's going to come out just like that.
Bobby.
Like that. And then I think I'm going to draw some buttons there. It's going to come down the centre just like that. And then he's got a little waistband.
I forgot his waistband.
That's okay. It doesn't matter. It's going to be just like that. And I'm going to draw it just like that. Right, are we ready to colour? Ready? Go!
This is how they turned out.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
Comment down below what you want to see next. Bye!
Thanks for watching, bye!